Say good morning. Good morning. I guess he was a little excited. It's a little lot excited. Yeah. It's a little excited. You're a little excited. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're so cute. Say hi. Hi. Oh no, I better get this over here. Say hi. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Look at those cute little eyes. So we just figured out a new way that he could sit up, and I knew he would be safe, although I still watch him, but he's getting a little frustrated at the moment. I keep on pushing that thingy down. Whoa! And I just keep handing him toys, and then it all ends up down again. He is so cute. I fed him, and this is how he sleeps. Looks like he's dead, but he's very much breathing. Yep. We're in Target again, and he's being uber duper cute again. Look how cute he is. Julian. Oh, hold up. What the heck? How do you make that? How do you make that? I mean, that looks pretty, not so hard. But that, what the heck? Hold on. Oh, what? Okay. Can you look around? I know. What? What? Really? Oh, isn't that nice? You walk right into a cart. People are just so generous these days, aren't they? Yes, they are. Okay. If I spend any more than this, I will regret it. But just looking at stuff. Huh, Bubba? Really? And Mom, this is what we should get for our green juices right here. I think I should get this for Lexi. This little beard. Say hi, baby! Hello! Take responsibility. Agoo! Agoo! Hi, baby. Look how he tries to imitate me. He used to do it. Why isn't he doing it? Tongue. Julian.
New Thursday. Simon Bello, gigantic star Frank Garrett joins Robin Williams. You should put those nostrils. It's like staring at two tiny armpits.
Oh my gosh, he loves this song. You love this song, huh, Bubba's? What was that? What was that? Hey, this is the part, Bubba's. This is the part. This is the part. Excuse my horrible singing, but he loves this part. Roar, 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 roar. The eye of the tiger. Cause I'm louder than a lion. For champion. Alright, well, we're gonna say night now. See you tomorrow.